Hi everyone, this is a tutorial on how to make a basic post, text and image. Log into your profile, hit new, the first thing is make a title between 10 and 150 characters. See how that became a little green check mark now because you met that criteria. Um, let's see. Now you have to have 100 to 3,000 words content. So I'm just going to grab some random text. Here is a button Wikipedia page. I'm just going to copy paste in here just to fit that criteria, right? So this is like 500 something words, which is obviously between 100 and 3,000 words. Here's an image. Now this is where you want to add caption and alt text. Caption is button and button. Alt text is you're describing it more. You're not just saying what it is, you're describing it more. Okay? Give it a little flair in this. You know, don't be afraid. It doesn't show up in the post, the alt text. Okay? Okay. Mm-hmm. So alt text and all images, a little green check. Okay? Okay. And another text. This is an old one. Um, just add any random old text. Okay. Hit a button. Text. I'll let you know why I'm adding the word button to these things. Right. Now categories 1 through 4. So let's just add 2. Okay, obviously that's 1 and 4. Tags 1 to 4. Just gonna add 2. So that turned into a green check also. Now what else do we need to do on that checklist? Okay, featured image. I'll just use that cicada image again. Obviously, that's not what you'll be doing, but oh, okay. I'll use this fish one. Whatever, it doesn't. It's whatever it is that you're putting in. Ah, so that got, and then all I want SEO score is up high. Okay, let's hit save. All the check marks are still there. Okay, so here it's a little tricky. There's some bugs still going on, so I'm going to show you how to do. Add focus keyword button. I'm going to use because that's like the main word that appears a lot in this piece, which is why I also added it to the alt text and stuff. Now here's a bug that we're still working on. Sometimes when you hit save, things disappear. Watch, I'll show you. So I hit save, and that focus keyword you added just disappeared. Don't freak out. It's a bug, but don't freak out. Just do it again. Okay? Sometimes it takes twice or 3 times. Nothing's broken. You haven't broken the computer. You haven't broken the website. try it again. Aha, it's stuck this time. Okay. So now, after you do that, you want to add a meta description. In the meta description, you want to make sure the word button is in there again because that's the keyword, right? Ba, ba, ba. Let's see what I could grab. Oh, here's a sentence that has like the word button in it. And you could write it. It's just a summary of the piece. So you could, if you're good at it, you could write it. Just make sure it has a limit. I think it's 160. Yeah, 160 character limit. We're a little bit over. So yeah, there you go. 158. Hit save. Let's see it sticks. Once again, just like the other one, if it disappears, just do it again and hit save again. I think it will stick. There you go. Okay. Blah blah blah. Everything is there. Now this is important. This is where when you share it on social media, you see that social tab right there. Click that. Scroll down where it says image source. Click on that and make it the featured image. That means that featured image you pick, the banner image, will be the image that appears in your social media post and not some random image that is grabbing from the website somewhere. Great, there you go. And that's it. And then you hit submit for review. And I, as the editor, will get a notification saying you submitted a post for review. And then I'll get it in there and it will be exactly as you saved it. And then I'll work on it and hit publish. Thank you.